Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about growing petunias from seeds. Petunias are my favorite plants. I grow them from seed every year. I started my gardening journey with petunias, the first plant that I planted, so they have a special place in my world. I will share with you how I grow them every year. This is my last year's plant that I have saved. I saved the entire plant after it was dead, and these are the seed pods. The seed pods look like this. Inside it you will have seeds. You can save the plant like this, or you can collect the seed pods after the plant is dead. Remember to save them when they are brown. Collect them when the seed pods turn brown and save them in a dry place. You can wrap them in paper and store them. I'm taking this seed pod. You can see the tiny seeds came out. If you open it, inside you will find thousands of these tiny dots, which are the seeds. They are very small and hardly visible. These black dots are the seeds that I will use to grow the petunias. So I have taken this fine plain soil. Make sure your soil is loose and there's no big lumps. You can also grow them in plain compost or a mixture of 50% soil and 50% compost. I'm going to spread the seeds on top of the soil and press it gently so the seeds come in contact with the soil. You can add a very thin, fine layer of soil or compost on top of it. I am not adding any. And then add water. Soak them nicely and keep them in a bright place that is warm and has indirect sunlight, and keep the soil moist. I am growing this on plain soil, but you can grow them in compost or sand too. That will work. After around 7 to 12 days, you will have the seedlings coming out. Here is an example. They're very small. When they're 1 inch in diameter, you can transplant them. This is after another 10 to 12 days. You can start moving them separately to a small container, or you can plant them in your final location or container. Here I have planted them in different size containers. Now let's talk about how to maintain them. They like sunlight, so give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. The more sunlight you give, the more they will flower. But they can also be grown in partial shade, so don't worry. Choose about an 8-inch container for them so they can grow well and big. Choose a good, well-drained soil for them. Add good amount of compost with your soil, 20 to 50% compost. You can also mix cow manure. Mix 1 tablespoon of bone meal or bone dust and apply mustard cake liquid fertilizer weekly. Remember, they are hungry plants, so they need good food. Water them properly. Water when the soil feels dry. Don't overwater them. Watering is the key to have a healthy plant. Prune the dead flowers regularly to enhance more flowering. Usually they don't get much pest, so it won't be a problem. But if you see any pest or fungus, then spray neem oil. That's all you have to do to maintain them. That is all I do, and then if it disappoints me, they're amazing plants to grow. So grow them and happy gardening! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, post it down in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Bye!